I'm gonna end this controversy now itself. So, hey guys, what's up? How you guys are doing? Yesterday, I made a video, guys, in which I actually shown you almost every possible proof to actually say that Soumya is a scammer, and he deleted both of my accounts, that is C7 Gore and Karthik Lohia. Now, for a counter, as I was expecting, Soumya posted a video and उस वीडियो का नाम लाइक टाइटल वॉज द रियलिटी. आई वॉज लाइक वाह क्या बात है भाई, मतलब ऐसी रियलिटी, दिस रियलिटी ब्रो, लाइक दिस रियलिटी विल जस्ट चेंज एवरीथिंग. वाओ. I clicked on that video. That video was for 3 minutes 18 seconds, and when I actually seen that, I like, tell me one thing guys, what is the definition of a nonsense clarification? You tell me. मतलब तुम लोग मुझे ये बताओ कि nonsense clarification की परिभाषा होती क्या है. I gave you the proofs which makes sense.
He posted nonsense which makes no sense. What the fuck, bro?
What the fuck? Like really? In that video, Soumya told us that he is using Redmi 8.
अरे भैया Redmi 8 में तो लोग टेम्पल रन खेलते हैं.
FC Mobile in Redmi 8? Are you kidding bro? Are you kidding me? Really? Redmi 8 के अंदर Soumya is doing his live stream. He is playing the FC Mobile game as well. भाई साहब Redmi की कंपनी का प्रमोशन करा दो. I like Redmi 8 device. It's just not possible to play FC Mobile perfectly in that because you will be facing a bit of lag. Not a bit भैया, बहुत lag आएगा. Live stream is totally not possible with the game screen there. Okay. So that is वो तो झूठ था. You can take. Now Soumya in his video basically says that Kunal is claiming that he got login conflict, like he got the login details from Poco X5 5G and that device is not mine. So what if guys, I'm gonna prove that this Poco X5 5G is Soumya's device? This debate is over bro. So let's go. You have to actually follow certain steps and you can yourself calculate that yes, this device is of Soumya. So what you have to do guys, that you have to go on the YouTube search and you have to search Soumya H2H Cruyff review. You have to search this video and his video will appear in front of you. And after that guys, you have to search Rock FC Cruyff review. You have to see both of these video and in this both of these video you will be finding that the same in-game name account is used. That means that I and Soumya contacted the same person who shared us his account, and that person should have the login details of both of our devices, right? Yes. Okay guys, now look at this SS. This is Alamin and he packed Cruyff. He shared the Cruyff review to both of us. He shared his account. Look what he says. Poco X5 Soumya का ही मोबाइल है. ये एसएस पे देख सकते हो. Cruyff मिलने के बाद तुम और Soumya दो लोग ही वीडियो बनाए थे and that's the proof that he have Poco X5 mobile. You can clearly see guys. Now what he is trying to say, let me actually translate this in English. He is trying to say that Poco X5 5G is of Soumya's device only and you and Soumya made the video and both of your device are there in front of my screen. Now look at this guys. Vivo i2202 added 59 days ago and Poco X5 5G added 61 days ago. There was a 2 days gap between mine and Soumya's Cruyff review video, if you guys remember. After his Cruyff video, I posted after 2 days. Now, before 2 days, Poco X5 5G logged in to his account for making Cruyff review. And this is Soumya. Proof number 1. This is called जबरदस्त proof number 1. ये एक पैसे का proof नहीं है जो उस reality की वीडियो में मिला है. Okay. Now let's go further guys. Now again you have to go on the YouTube and you have to search Soumya H2H TOTS Mbappe review. You will be actually seeing a video has popped up in front of your screen. After that, you have to again search Rock FC TOTS Mbappe review. In both of the videos, again you're gonna notice the same thing, that the account which is used for making this review is same. And that guy is Team Ace guys. He was the one who shared us the account. He was the one who actually packed TOTS Mbappe and he shared the account to both of us. Now let me show you the DM of his. Now you can see here guys that he is saying your phone is showing, you can see like I know that they see Poco X5 5G device screenshot. Look at this bro. Vivo i2202 last activity July 2 and Poco X5 5G last activity July 2 because I and Soumya posted TOTS Mbappe on the same day. Now this Vivo i2202 is me and this Poco X5 5G West Bengal is Soumya. Team Ace confirmed me this, guys. Proof number 2 that Poco X5 5G is Soumya's device. ये किसी और का नहीं है. Let's go for the fucking proof number 3. Again, you have to search on the YouTube that Soumya H2H UTOTS Ronaldo review. And when you're gonna actually click on that video, you will find that the in-game name which is appearing on that particular video is of our thumbnail makers and his name is Purab OP. So this guys, now Purab has gotten UTOTS Ronaldo and look at the Purab's DM now. ये सौम्य का ही है. Now look here, Vivo IQ Neo 6, this is my device, and Xiaomi Redmi 5G July 8. July 8 was the day when Soumya last, like this is showing the last login. So hereby Scout, our thumbnail maker, also confirms that this Xiaomi Redmi Poco X5 5G is Soumya's device, the valid proof fucking number 3. Let's go for the last proof, guys. ठीक है यार, ये तीनों झूठ बोल रहे हैं. These are the normal ones. Notorious FC is a brand on YouTube. He is a YouTuber, guys. He is my very good friend. क्या वो भी झूठ बोलेगा? नहीं बोलेगा. Now you have to search on the YouTube that Soumya H2H Messi review, and in Messi review he used Notorious account, and Notorious also confirmed me that Soumya is using Poco X5 5G. It's done and dusted for now, guys. It's just totally done and dusted. I don't know like what proof I have to give, like which more proof you want from me. This i22 device, this Vivo like IQ Neo 6 is mine. I am using this IQ device. You can see here, bro. मैं तो तुम लोगों को ऐसे करके दिखा दूंगा. See it. If you can read it, IQ Neo 6. This is my IQ device. I bought it for 24,000. It is having lots of gaming modes for gaming, and I use this device to make the videos. Okay, guys. Soumya was faking that he don't use Poco X5 5G. Now tell me one thing. You tell me one thing. Soumya made Cruyff review from Poco X5 5G. Soumya made TOTS Mbappe review from Poco X5 5G. Soumya made UTOTS Ronaldo from Poco X5 5G, and he made Messi review from Poco X5 5G. Now Soumya, our great Soumya, says Poco X5 5G is not my device.
तो तेरी मम्मी बना रही थी रिव्यू पोको X5 5G बैठ के.
Like really, bro? Like I don't understand, bro. मतलब लोग बोल कैसे लेते हैं, bro? I hereby prove that Poco X5 5G is your device. It is done and dusted, bro. Now Soumya is DMing me on WhatsApp. अब तुम लोगों को पता है चीप हरकत क्या होती है? चीप हरकत होती है when you are actually showing your personal chats to somebody. क्या मैंने तुम लोगों को सौम्या की पर्सनल चैट्स दिखाई? Did I ever show you any personal chat of mine and Soumya? No. Now I'm gonna tell you one thing, guys. This Poco X5 5G, this notification only came to my device that Poco X5 5G logged in your device 2 hours ago, and this was the guy who actually deleted my account, and this is Soumya, hence proved. Hence proved, yes, you heard it right. Hence fucking proved, Soumya, you were the one who deleted my account. He never even thought about me, bro. मतलब 104 OVR का अकाउंट तो कुछ भी करके उड़ा देता है.
And he actually post एम्बुलेंस की बत्ती के साथ बना के एक वीडियो द रियलिटी.
And he posted a video in which you are actually talking about a nonsense clarification which makes really no sense to me, to be honest. मुझे नहीं पता कितनों को उसने सेंस बनाया होगा, guys. And after that he wants sympathy from the subscribers and viewers. Soumya needs की
Guys, oh my god, subscribers, I deleted Rock FC's account and अब तुम लोग क्या करो? You hold my left boobs and you hold my right and take me to the जन्नत.
अब तुम लोग मुझे बचाओ. You give me sympathy. I did the best.
और हमारा अगला शिकार है नोटोरियस फीफा.
This is best, guys. Like मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या बोलूँ. The next thing in Soumya's video was that he actually shown my DMs of fouling someone on the Discord. Guys, you tell me one thing. मतलब मेरा ना तुम लोगों से एक बड़ा सिंपल सवाल है. टेल मी वन थिंग. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, यू बिल्ड अ सर्वर विद 6000 मेंबर्स. 6000 मेंबर्स पता है कितने होते हैं? लाइक इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग समवेयर एंड 6000 पीपल आर स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑन अ ग्राउंड. किसी स्टेडियम में 6000 लोग तुम्हारे सामने खड़े हैं. तो जस्ट टेल मी, लाइक वो कितना बड़ा नंबर होगा देखने में. We actually, appointed few staffs to manage our server. मुझे और नोटो को कुछ नहीं आता. We are not knowing anything about the Discord server, like how to ban. हमें ये भी नहीं पता how to ban people. I'm gonna say it honestly, guys. मुझे कुछ शर्म भी नहीं है, लाइक मुझे नहीं आता तो नहीं आता ब्रो. आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट द डिस्कॉर्ड. वी जस्ट एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड डिस्कॉर्ड टू कनेक्ट विद द सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट थिंग्स. ओके, तो स्टाफ्स, आई डोंट नो हु वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर न्यूकिंग द सर्वर. दैट गाय न्यूक्ड द सर्वर, दैट गाय किक्ड द सर्वर एंड किक्ड ऑल ऑफ द members, banned all of the members, and only me and Noto were left in our Notorious X Warden community server. As you can see the screenshot on the top of your screen कि इतने members बचे हुए हैं. Okay guys, now tell me one thing, अगर एक बंदा मेरे 6000 मेंबर्स उड़ा देगा, इफ समवन इज एक्चुअली बैनिंग माई 6000 मेंबर्स, तो मैं उसको फूलों की माला पहनाऊं जाके? नहीं, मैं इफ समवन इज लाइक बैनिंग माई 6000 मेंबर्स, तो
मैं I should invite him in my studio and I will give him the cold drink. He is sitting here and we both will say like सौम्य तो भगवान है, सौम्य बाबा की जय हो, सौम्य बाबा की जय हो.
फक ब्रो, आई विल फाउल ब्रो. और अगर वो मेरी सिटी में रह रहा होता ना, फक कर देता मैं उसको ले जाके, सच में फक कर देता. इतना मारता ना पकड़ के, मजा आ जाता, बिल्कुल आत्मा तृप्त हो जाती. वाह ब्रो, सौम्य ब्रो, मतलब प्रूफ्स तो ऐसे दो जो कोई सेंस बनाए. अ टोटल नॉनसेंस क्लैरिफिकेशन ब्रो, टोटल नॉनसेंस क्लैरिफिकेशन. लाइक सौम्य डिलीटेड माय अकाउंट्स जस्ट फॉर अ लिटिल बिट ट्रोल ब्रो. भैया मेरा दिमाग अभी तक काम नहीं कर रहा कि अ पर्सन कैन डू लाइक दिस. मतलब a 36 years old man can delete your account in which you spent real money. Bro, I literally opened those 99 to 101 packs and that costed 1000 FC points. मुझे बताओ 1000 FC points कितने रुपए में आते हैं गेम के अंदर? And that motherfucker deleted. अबे कुछ भी भाई उसके दिमाग में जो आएगा वो कर देगा क्या? कुछ भी, मतलब जो उसके दिमाग में, like he wanted to end up his frustration and deleted the account. वाह क्या बात है भाई, मैं मान गया. Like सौम्य bro, such a childish person who gets frustrated over small things. मैं तो ये सोचता हूँ उसकी शादी कैसे हो गई?
अरे बच्चा कैसे हो गया? हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल ब्रो?
आई एम सीरियसली शॉक्ड अबाउट दिस. सौम्य, whatever he did was wrong and that's what you called a real scammer guys. This is the end of this video. I already gave you the proof about Poco X55G device. Unsubscribe, unfollow and say him scammer. अगर वो वीडियो अपलोड करे ना, उसको इतना स्कैमर स्पैम कर देना उसके डीएम में, उसको शर्म आ जानी चाहिए दैट ही वोंट बी एबल टू पोस्ट एनी वीडियो. ही डिस्ट्रॉयड माय कैरियर, ही डिस्ट्रॉयड माय ऑल द अकाउंट्स गाइस. C7 Gore is the emotion, C7 Gore is the real identity of Rock FC on the YouTube. Bro, I used to get the comments from the subscribers and viewers that we played against you. That was something which is Rock FC's identity and deleted that. वाह, मैं भी डिलीट कर सकता था तेरा अकाउंट, लेकिन मैंने किया नहीं बिकॉज अब मैं गिरा हुआ नहीं हूं ना गाइज. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन द यस्टरडेज वीडियो एज वेल. छोड़ना मत, मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ, whenever he uploads काउंटर वीडियो डालनी है ना, इफ यू वांट टू एक्चुअली रिप्लाई मी विद सम काउंटर प्रूफ्स, तो ऐसी वीडियो डाल जिसमें कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन सेंस बनाती हो. आई डोंट नीड योर नॉनसेंस क्लैरिफिकेशंस टू बी ऑनेस्ट. ओके, समझ में आया तेरे को? जय हिंद गाइस.